In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vertically align numbers in a Confluence table. This process is really straightforward and quite handy when you're looking to organize information neatly within your Confluence pages. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to be on your Confluence homepage. Once there, you'll need to choose a space where your content resides. This is basically the designated area where your pages are housed within Confluence, so think of it as selecting the right drawer in a filing cabinet. Take a moment to find the space you're planning to work in and click on it to enter. Once you're in the desired space, the next step is to choose the specific page you want to edit. Navigate through your list of pages until you locate the right one. This might take a few clicks, especially if you have an extensive list of content, but patience and a discerning eye will get you there quickly. Now that you're on the correct page, you'll see an option to edit it. Look for the Edit button, usually located at the top. Clicking this will allow you to make modifications. It's important to remember that this step is crucial, because without entering the editing mode, you won't be able to change anything on the page. With editing mode enabled, you'll want to focus on creating a numbered list. You can either click on the numbered list icon visible in the toolbar, or, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+Shift+7. This action will provide the foundation for our vertical alignment task. At this point, begin by typing something next to number 1. It could simply be a word or a short phrase, depending on what you want to list. Once you've added your text, hit the Enter key. You'll notice that the number 2 automatically appears right below the first entry. Go ahead and type your next item. This setup automatically maintains vertical alignment as you go down the list, which is exactly what we're aiming to achieve. After entering your text for number 2, just hit Enter again, and this process will continue, generating numbers sequentially aligned in a vertical manner. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity and efficiency. It automatically takes care of the alignment for you, so you can focus on the content instead of formatting. And there you have it. Your numbers are now vertically aligned within your Confluence table. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your documentation looks clean and organized. Just remember to save your changes once you've finished editing to preserve all your hard work. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.